how to turn off or on, made for you on Amazon Shopping on Android or iOS phone. First open Amazon Shopping and now click this three lines here and then click settings. Now click permissions and now just wait few seconds and then after that scroll down until you find it, and here is it made for you. Now you can turn it on or off, and I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.